Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
Pain started to occur about anywhere from about 10 years ago. Skateboarding is what all my injuries are from mostly. And I would originally skateboard and have a good time skateboarding, and I get off my skateboard and walk around and realize that my Achilles or something hurts back here. Even though I just had a great skateboarding session
10 years,
and I never fell. And that was around 5 to 10 years ago I would realize that. But a night's rest or even just a couple hours of rest and some ice and then I'd be cured, and the next morning I'd be fine. 10 years and I realized I had plantar fasciitis for a little while, and then that's what made me realize I gotta stop wearing bad footwear. Skateboard shoes and stuff when I'm working on the golf course, and wear good footwear. So I started doing that then, and then about a year ago, last spring, I was golfing and got home from golf. At the round I realized that at the end of the round my heel started to hurt. I'm like, what's wrong with my heel?
So your heel too?
Then I get home, take my shoes off, everything off, and I realized, that's when I finally realized that the bump was there.
Okay, so we can see the bone spur, and we're gonna show it to you like from other view when he stands. Like you can see the bone sticking out. That's a bone spur closer to his Achilles tendon here, and his pain where he has his Achilles tendons attached. So it's he has Achilles tendonitis, and he had plantar fasciitis and bone spur. Okay.
Yeah, and you'll be easily able to see it when it's compared to the
other
foot.
when you have your stand up, it's very obvious.
But yeah, so this bump started about a year ago.
Okay.
Almost a year, and then it's just gotten progressively worse ever since.
So for all this time, what kind of treatment you had?
I went to insurance with Kaiser Permanente and had corporeal shockwave therapy.
Shockwave therapy. Okay. What else? Did you have anything physical therapy?
Other than just looking on the internet and looking
doing
at
exercises.
Yeah, and just doing exercises I'd find on the internet and stretches and stuff like that, and then icing it. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
So, how much pain from 0 to 10, and how you describe it at worst?
It's chronic, because I'm an avid surfer and skateboarder, or surfing and golfing. I don't skateboard much anymore, because that's where all my injuries are from, but still very active, walk everywhere I want to. And so it's a chronic pain that annoys the heck out of me.
How much for the constant pain from 0 to 10?
It's at least a 1.
Okay, that's constant pain. Okay.
And it goes up anywhere to 5 or 6.
Okay. So what kind of motion aggravated?
Just
standing,
using it all.
Stretching.
The skateboarding motion. This would be my back leg in skateboarding, so it's my pumping leg.
Okay.
So that's how it originated, or that's when I would do that, and that's how I would realize something hurts back there. And then just normal wear and tear, which is just a normal day of surfing and skateboarding. And I'll be tired by the end of the day, and I can't wait to get home to be able to ice my foot.
Okay. And you also said like you have also a morning pain, like you feel like stiffness and morning pain.
Yeah.
When you take steps in the morning or long sitting.
It definitely like warms up. Yeah. So if sometimes just using it and like pushing past the initial pain, and then like it'll get better throughout the day. And then if I put some good footwear on and like make it stable and like wrap it up big time, then I can go play golf sometimes and have a good time. But then some days there's bad days.
How would you describe your pain? Is it sharp, dull, aching, or stabbing?
Sometimes it's very sharp.
Sharp in the Achilles area, Achilles tendon. Okay.
But not constant sharp yet.
Okay.
But I'm
and
sure.
And for the foot here?
Nothing really here. That's why. But recently it has been stretching down to be underneath my heel, and then to be right in the center. And this is just.
And that's especially when you wake up in the morning on the heel.
This just started to occur, in the last 48 hours, like this week, very recently.
So it's more symptoms like Achilles tendonitis. He definitely have bone spur there, and he get like some symptoms of the plantar fasciitis. So everything should be pain-free except before the treatment. We're gonna do the motion that actually aggravated, so we can use that for reassessment. So we'll have him walk a little bit. Excuse me. How's the walking?
It's alright, it's just right. here in the center.
Okay, how much from 0 to 10?
Still 1 or 2 right now.
You can see the bone spur here compared to the other side. It's totally sticking out here. He has really this very inflamed area and have a really big bone spur. Very obvious to see. So how much is now from 0 to 10?
It's getting up there now. It's 4, 5.
Okay.
It's just
Let's do, how many times did you do it now? Because we're gonna do count afterward.
probably up to 20 now.
20 now? Okay, so that's our baseline. We're gonna do 20. And you felt it there, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's have you walk after.
It's just all.
And you can see the inflammation actually. It's the redness, the sign of inflammation swelling.
Mm-hmm.
You can see all it's red here. So if you don't have a scar tissue, it should feel like nice and smooth like this. Feel that?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, there's no pain there.
So that's a scar tissue here. And your Achilles, your calf muscle attached from here, going all the way down here. So when you have a lot of scar tissue here, this part is not very stretchy. So when you push, when you stretch this part, you will just, the compensation is by the Achilles tendon. So you're gonna inflame the tendon to pull more
on the
to
calf
compensate.
muscle.
Yeah. How to walk the right way. Because if you walk like with poor ergonomics, you know, it's like you wear your car out of alignment, so you're gonna wear your tires because you walk like unevenly instead of your weight distribute even in both feet.
Yeah.
How's that?
Yeah, no, it feels good though. Yeah, I think it's kind of gone. Yeah.
Okay, so with the magnet it's gone, that means it's inflammation. The good news is when you feel relief with the magnet, that's typically take a few hours with the magnet heel. Just put it on.
And I'm just using it for a couple seconds here.
Yeah, you use it as needed.
Yeah.
Some patient has moderate to severe inflammation, have them sleep with it, walk with it. You know, you can do your daily activity with like sitting in front of a computer and watching TV.
Yeah.
You have it on, you're already having treatment while you're doing nothing. You know, but that's a sign of inflammation because that's what I actually used only for.
I can feel the warmth of it, kind
you
of.
feel the warmness. Yeah, that's another thing that it's a sign like, well, it's good that
it's just like a soothing feeling, which kind of feels
good.
warmish. Yeah.
Well, this is very strong magnet actually. It actually penetrates up to 3 inches deep. So that should, even if it's up high here, you're getting the magnetic treatment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels good because of the pain is a lot of time just right here too.
Right
so
here?
It feels good.
Yeah, so when you have
Put it
like
all
several
over.
spots of pain, you want to do it like for, doesn't matter, like 20 minutes here, 20 minutes there,
Yeah.
rotate it, and
Okay.
yeah, you will probably notice like some areas more inflamed than others, so that's might be more exposure to the magnet.
Yeah, I'd probably have it here for a while, then switch it over to here.
Yeah, and put it on the heel and
And then
sleep
even
with
put
it or
it,
something like
even
that.
put it there for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is what I actually recommend, like my professional athletes, they take it with them in the game. You feel inflammation after the game, just put it on.
Right
Or
away.
if it's in your knee and it's not affecting your functions, just put it on while you're playing.
Yeah.
As long as there's no metal around, because this is a very strong magnet.
Okay, wow, cool.
Yeah. So what do you think about ASTR treatment? You just worked on it for a few minutes.
I mean, I think it's great. I think it's a better experience that I had at Kaiser Permanente.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, I'm glad you're feeling better.
No, I think, for me to be able to do this and not feel, before it was 5 or 6, and now it's less than 1.
Okay, that's awesome.
That thing says it all right there.
Yeah. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.